Okay, now can you see the screen, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
The blue
Yes,
screen?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so this is your turbo compiler, also called editor, turbo editor. So this is blue screen. To maximize this, F is a shortcut. So guys, this is the place where we are going to write our code. And today we will write our first C program. Very easy, very simple. Just have the watch that what I'm writing and how I'm writing. That's it. So the first program is just to simple print hello world. That's it. This is the simple program. One thing, make sure that when you start the program, first save it, because it might be possible that because of the power cut or some any other reason you may lost your work. So always make a practice to save your work. So here I'm just storing the program and giving the name, and always give the meaningful name. Later on you will understand that why the meaningful name is important. Hello world.c, and do not forget to write the .c. .c is an extension for any C program. So I'm storing my the first program of hello world in C. In C I have turbo3 folder. In turbo3 folder we have bin folder, and in that I'm creating the first file hello world.c, and simply click OK. Okay, so here you can see that hello world.c is there. You will not get the full name because it only accepts the 4 characters. So 4 characters is the length of any C program. So let's start how to write. What I'm writing, it's not the concern right now, but something you have, something like this you have to write. I'll explain each and every line in detail. So do not worry. So this is my program. Simple program, that is hello world. Okay, as we know that when we give instruction to the computer, it definitely it will perform some job. So here we have given some instruction to the computer to perform some job. So okay, what is the job? The job is to print hello world. This is my job. This is the job, or this is the program that what I want to do. Now here we have some libraries. What are libraries and why we are adding this, that we will see later on. But I want to print this word hello world. That's it. For that I have given 3 instruction. See, 3 instruction I have given to the computer. CLR SCR is my first instruction. Printf hello world is my second instruction, and get ch is my third instruction. So here I can say that this is my program. And what is program? Program is nothing but the set of instruction. Remember the definition, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Set of programs, sorry, set of instruction, set of instructions, and it is called the program, right? Okay, so after saving the program, 2 things we need to do. First, we need to compile the program, and second, we will run the program. What is the difference between compiling and run, that we will see. But let's first, here you have a compile menu. Go there. Alter F9 is a shortcut. If you use the shortcut keys, that is really better and it is easy. So alter F9, it will compile your program. Okay, so we have 0 errors. Perfect. Means there is no any syntax error in my program. The meaning of the compiling is I'm checking for the syntax error. What is syntax? That also we will learn. Right now, just watch and just get familiar with new words. That's it. So this is how to compile the program. After compiling the program, go to the run menu and Control F9 is the shortcut. Also, you can go to the menu. In a run menu, you have a run option. And here you have hello world is your output. This black screen is your output screen. Also, you can call it a console screen. This black screen is a console screen, or also you can call it a output screen. Simply press enter to get back to the editor. Repeatedly it will ask to reload. Just click on yes. That's it. Understood everyone? Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope everyone got an idea that how to do, what to do, how to write the code, what are all these lines. Definitely you will not understand at this stage, but still I hope that you have an idea that this is the blue screen, that is your turbo compiler editor, where you will write the program. When you start the writing the program, first always save it, and even during the programming, during the writing the code, always make a practice to save the program, then go to the compile and then the run. Easy guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we have a run and run. Now let's just change the hello world. Instead of the hello world, let's I'm writing let me write good afternoon students. After doing any modification, always save the program, every time compile the program, and then run the program. Okay, good afternoon students. So here is the output. Easy guys?
Yes, ma'am.
And to come out from the compiler, to come out from the turbo, go to the file and go to the quit. This is how you can do the program. This is how you can use the turbo compiler to write the program. Easy?
Yes, ma'am.